got everything here. All the credentials. Even more.
But I already asked you to leave my office. What are you still doing here? Listen, let me tell you something. You did not pass the interview. As a matter of fact, the company has already employed those that are needed for the job. So if you don't mind, leave my office before I lose it.
But Oga, you promised me the job now. Please, don't do this to me. Okay, just take a look at my credentials. You will like what you see. I promise. Just take a look at it.
Oh yes, I made a promise to you. But is there a guarantee that I must keep my promise to you? Listen, let me tell you something. You better leave my office now that I'm being polite. Leave.
Sir, please now. Your word should be your bond now. You should be a man.
I said leave my office before I lose it.
Be a man of
leave.
Be a man of your word now. Please, I'm begging you now. Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go now? Please, okay. Just take a look.
Out.
Take a look at my credentials, please.
Security!
Security! There's no got to that.
Get out!
Baby. Hey. Oh. Where did she go to now? Huh? Where did she go to? Pick up your call now. She's not even picking up. Huh. Why is she not picking her call now? Eh? Where did she go to that she's not picking up? Babe, pick your call now. Pick your call. What's going on? I hope all is well. Let me call her again. This is unlike Ijoma now. Eh? Let me call her again. Pick now. Pick. Hello? Hello? Baby. Yes. Where are you now? I've been here waiting at your shop and you're not here. I've been here for over 30 minutes now. You're where? At the church. What are you doing at the church by this time of the day? Are you not supposed to be at your shop selling market? You're what? Oh, okay, you're done. Okay, no problem now. I am here. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Please hurry up. Hurry up. Please. Okay.
I know how you feel. Remember we're in this together. They didn't employ you because they don't know your worth. So don't let it get you down, okay?
Babe. If you see how that man embarrassed me, as if I got my certificate for free from the university. You see this country, eh? The country don't cast. You need to know someone that will link you up before they give you a job.
Just forget about it. Can you forget about it already? That one is gone. Let's look towards the future. I know we have better days ahead. Okay? And trust me, I know you're destined for something great. So don't let them deter you.
You have groundnuts.
No, you will eat real food this time. because I allowed you to take this junk. No, food. I'll cook something for you. I'll just close the shop and we'll go
Get
home.
me one granite
No
now. It
What's
goes
that?
together. It goes together. Hmm? My baby.
Daniel, no granules for you.
You think you can win me on bed? No, that's what you're saying. So let me tell you, don't dare me. I am telling you, the next time I see you, right, I am going to teach you the lesson of your life. All right, tonight is Champions League. Oh, yes. Whoa!
Obviously, you just signed a new player and you have an important match tonight. Guy, you know they tire. You want to kill yourself?
You just asked the question. Let me answer you. Yes, I just signed a new player, but I'm trying to do her medicals to see if she can fit into my squad.
See, they say change is constant. But guy, you overchange. Oh. And now, back in school, you no be like this now. When all this one can start? Eh? I hardly hear you talk about signing new players or hosting all kinds of matches in a day. No go kill yourself, oh. I come to think of it. No give your mama high blood pressure. Because I know your mother is not happy with this kind of lifestyle you're living. God, you need to be sensible for once.
Daniel, one at a time. You talked about change, right? The difference between then and now is that I have money now. I have money now and I have a lot of money. As long as players are everywhere, we'll keep signing them until I have what I am looking for. I'm telling you, money is everything. Believe me. Okay? Look at you. You're talking about me spending money anyhow. You've been looking for jobs for so long, going everywhere. The companies, in fact, in this city, I think they have more than 1,000 of your CVs there. Have they called you? Have they called you? Look at your clothes, look at your tie, look at your shoes, just look at your trousers. They're all worn out. What story do you have today? I know you have story.
See, waiting you they talk not true.
Oh.
Not true because, guy, I am fed up. Person go school finish, graduate. See me now. For more than 3 years, I graduated from the university. I have been walking from one place to another to look for work. My own country, yet all to no avail. See this man, where I go in office. Upon the beg, I beg this man. If you see how this man disgraced me, this man gave me the embarrassment of my life. Talking to me anyhow, as if I got this certificate for free. Obviously, you need to know someone that knows someone that will link you to someone that will connect you to have something doing in this country. Guy, matter don't cast for this country. I'm tired. It's just that I'm trying to make you understand you need to stop lavishing money on these useless girls. Channel this money into something reasonable. No be say I dey judge you. I know they judge you, but I'm trying to talk to you as a friend and as a brother. If I no talk to you, who go talk to you now? Look at me. I have just one girl. She stays at that, you know that place when you're leaving the city. At least house is there cheap. Then I make she just dey manage for there. And she loves me and I love her too. But you, guy, take am easy o.
Daniel, have you ever seen a poor man advising a rich man? It's obviously you're talking from that poverty mentality side. You're lucky. You are lucky because you've got the best woman on earth. It's not all these girls you see here and there walking around and looking for who to open office in their heads. You're lucky. Which one the office again? You know what's office? You know what these girls do nowadays? You must pay for their cream. Pay for every of the things that they use. And the moment you don't give them money, you become so stingy and unromantic man. I am telling you. So you're lucky.
This matter don't tie rapper. Guy, you are beginning to sound like the president of Stingy Men Association. Come to think of it, are you not supposed to take care of your woman in the first place?
To an extent. To an extent you can. So let me even ask you. What will happen if these ladies decide to take care of we, the men? What will happen? Will heaven fall? Heaven will not fall. What are you talking about? They have this mentality that we must always be the one funding them and paying their bills. What if they do that in reverse? What will happen? I'm asking you. You look so good, so sexy.
Thank you. Oh. Come on, your drink.
Oh, yes, my drink.
Come on, sip it.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
That's good.
I'll take it. One more.
Yeah.
Ah, my goodness. Good.
Good. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. I am okay. Ah! Ah!
What's wrong with you?
Jesus, I reject it in the name of Jesus. I reject it in the name of Jesus. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. I cover you with the blood of Jesus, Elvis. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, I cover you with the blood of Jesus. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Chineke God. Hey! Chineke Namo. God. Jesus. Jesus. Hey! Holy Ghost fire. I reject it in the name of Jesus. I reject it. I reject it. Hey! I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Boy. Jesus. Jesus. Hey, hello? Elvis. Elvis. Where are you and what are you doing? Elvis. Listen to me very, very carefully. A young girl poisoned your drink. Yes, as you were struggling to breathe, she stood there, smiling. Yes, Elvis, Yes. Eh. It was not just a dream, Elvis. This is a revelation. I want you to be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Stay away from girls. As from today, stay away from girls. Anybody here in a skirt, I hate Elvis. Uju is fine. I'm not talking about Uju. Elvis, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Be very careful. Be very careful. I don't want anything to happen to you, Elvis. You are my only son. Biko, be very careful. This boy, who wants to get out of here? I need to come and say no. Hey, God, I beg. Chineke na Biko. He's my only son. Please, protect him for me. Guide him for me, Biko. Forgive him and save his life. Hey!
Mama is coming. Hello?
People are very heartless and wicked. 650,000 naira. Can you imagine? Where does he expect him to get it from? In this hard economy.
Oh, wow. This country keeps getting bad by the day. If he has such amount of money, why going out searching for a job?
Oh.
When he isn't start up a business for himself?
Exactly.
Hi.
Exactly.
Huh? So one has to pay now to get a job.
My dear, see me. That's why I just, prefer being self-employed. It's the best thing to be at this point in this country. Because it's not easy working for people. Imagine paying that kind of amount to get a job, then...
My dear, you're right too. Being independent is the best. Look at us now. We answer to no one. Yeah? Although the money is not much, but there is this thing about it, self-respect and, peace of mind.
Peace of mind, my sister.
Hi.
That's the utmost. Peace of mind. Oh. For me, I've told him, I have told him. I think it's high time he goes maybe, learn some handwork. At least.
Handwork? At his age? Do you think he can do it?
My dear, at this point, that's the best thing he needs to think about. He needs to either learn handwork or maybe start a business. Will he continue like this? It's been 7 years he graduated from the university. He cannot continue like this. That's my own.
My dear sister, somebody cannot start learning how to make use of his left hand at old age. Your bobo is too fine. You know, feel learn handwork. The people that can learn, you see all these ugly men. Like that, my neighbor, Sand. They call him pure. That kind of person. I feel like hard work.
You know that your neighbor will beat you, eh? I will not be there to help you.
Don't your Bobo fine, I beg.
He has to. We can't continue like this.
He cannot.
Now.
He has spied the stage. He can't. Just don't worry. With God, all things are possible. Okay?
I trust him, Sha.
Yes,
I know that
God, things are possible.
Giving you investment. I think after what I just enjoyed now, I think I have a response to that now.
Hey, excuse me.
See, I don't do this. This is not my style. But I must confess you are a very handsome man. So, do you have a name?
Ah, well, I thought you missed your way.
No, I didn't. My name is Dorothy. So, what's yours?
My name is Daniel. You can call me Dan for short.
Very well. Oh, see, I'm so famished. Can you hop in and let's find somewhere, stop over and have lunch?
Hop in. It seems like you're hungry. I can direct you to where you eat good food.
Exactly my point. Hop in, let's go together and have lunch.
You want to buy me lunch?
Something like that.
Ah, you must be a good woman. Oh.
We are now friends, right? So why do you want a light here when I can comfortably take you home? Or you don't want your girlfriend to see us? What am I even saying? How can a handsome guy like you not have a girlfriend? I know you have a girlfriend.
Well, you said too many things at the same time, so yeah, maybe you're right.
Okay? But can we see some other time? Like hang out, catch some fun?
I enjoyed the moments with you, so maybe, yeah. It's okay.
Very well then. See. Have this 50,000 naira for your time and for accepting to hang out with me.
You paid for my food and drinks, and now you're giving me 50,000 naira?
It's nothing. Don't think about it so hard.
Well, thank you. See you some other time.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Elvis, my guy, what I am about to tell you, if I tell you, say, no surprise me, now lie I dey lie. Guy, there's this babe, oh, her name is Dorothy. She has been clamoring all over me, and guess what? This babe gave me 50,000. You know when last my hand touched that kind of money? Guy, this still they surprise me, oh. Daniel, if I tell you I'm not surprised, will you believe me?
You're not serious. Why won't you be surprised?
I am not surprised. See, you're a very cute, handsome man. And every girl in this town would do anything, just anything to have you.
You mean what you just said?
You know, the only problem I have with you is that you're so naive. You do not know what you are made of. You're so handsome. Look at you. You're tall. Look at your beard, all coily. Look at you. You have 6 packs. You're looking so good. Look at me. If I have half of your look, just half, I swear to Almighty God, I'm going to paint this whole town red. I'm telling you, I'm just using my money to razzmatize these girls. You know now, I'm using that money as a weapon against them.
And that is the weapon fashioned against you, my brother.
Amen. But I'm not complaining. See, my brother, look at you. Look at how handsome you're looking. The only thing remaining right now is for you to have money. Keji, there you go. Once you have money right now, you see everything will fall on your feet. There you go. Money. Don't forget that. I know you don't have any money right now. Just send me your account. I will pay you some money. Just more for your transport, you know.
My God.
That is the only language you understand.
He's business minded all the way.
Mama, how are you? I'm fine. This one you called. Mama, my job is so hectic and it's taking a toll on me. Don't even have time for myself.
I think I just keep on the good work. It's better than doing like anyway, see, there is something I want to tell you, and I don't know how to tell you for you to understand. You are the only son, and you are meant to carry on your father's lineage. You have to get married and settle down. Your father will never be happy if he's alive to see the kind of lifestyle you are living.
Mama, do you ever get tired of talking to me about marriage? Marriage now, marriage then. Every now and then, all I hear is marriage. Mama, I am just 38 years. I'm still young for marriage. Look at me, please. I want to enjoy my time before settling down. Be kononem, oh?
38. That is what you always say. You are an only son. You should have gotten married before you entered the university. This life of following every man on side is not a life a reasonable person has to live.
Mama Biko, I've heard you, okay? I've heard you. When I decide, I will tell you. But for now, please, oh? Marriage every time. Allow me to enjoy my life. I've got the money, let me...
Hi.
Hi.
I wasn't expecting you.
I needed to see you. Take me to your place.
That's not possible.
Listen, I want you to get dressed and follow me to a birthday party that's been organized by my friend. So that's why I'm here.
Not a bad idea. Just that this is the only jean that I have, and this shirt, the best shirt I've got in my closet, so I don't think that will work out today.
That's not a problem at all. I want you to hop into the car, let me take you somewhere and get you some good clothes to wear.
You mean you want to?
Yes, I want to get you some clothes from a nice boutique for you to wear for the party. Let's go. Let's go.
Looks official.
You don't want something official?
No, we're going for a party.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is cool.
You want a t-shirt for a party?
You're casual. This is I'm not familiar with design.
Okay.
Looks nice.
If that's what you want, it's alright.
Okay. What about this?
Okay. You like this one? Because some people, I think I like this one. Let's go. Oh, please, I need to set this call.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Hello, handsome.
Hi.
You care for a little romance?
Really?
Mm-hmm. Let me give you my card.
No time for that. Let me have the phone. Come.
What's with the green on green? That's a sign, yeah?
Hey. So which one have you picked?
This is really nice.
He is a smooth criminal, and he is good at what he do.
Are you serious? Mama, that is it. You see the way the girl was busy beating the other girl. I even tried to separate them. They don't want to separate. I walk away.
Uju!
Brother!
Mama!
No. Oh!
How are you?
Uju!
How are you? Mama, what have you been feeding this girl?
I don't know phone now. What do Mama, ask Brother Elvis, what have you been eating in the city? Elvis, what have you been eating in the city?
Okay. Those things I've been eating in the city.
Okay.
Go to my car, you will find them. Bring them here.
Really?
Go. Mama.
Oh, thank God for joining me.
Yes. Oh, you look so good.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you, Imbe.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What do you want, sir?
Actually, I didn't come here to buy food. I mean, I was just passing by, so I noticed your beauty. My God, you're looking so beautiful. I came in to tap in your beauty.
I don't understand what you're saying. Please just tell me what you want so I can get it for you, because very soon my customers will start coming.
Okay, I want to marry you.
Well, I have a boyfriend and there's no way I'm leaving him for anybody.
No. I have no problem with you having a boyfriend, all right? We can just do our thing, in the long run, if it works out, then we can get married. What do you think?
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm not interested.
That was quite harsh, All right, can we be friends at least?
Okay, it's fine. So what do you want?
Like I said, I'm not here to eat. I just came to see you.
All right, it's fine. So, excuse me, I need to attend to other customers.
Oh, sure.
He's just a player. It doesn't have what it takes to fall in love. He is a player.
Baby, you have been awfully silent. What is it?
I don't feel like talking, please. I need some rest.
You don't feel like talking? You need some rest? And do you expect me to rest when I know that you're troubled? You're troubled and you don't want to talk to me. Please talk to me. What is the problem? Please.
I am not happy right now. And I just want to be quiet, please. Just let me be.
Okay. You did not enjoy it? Or you're feeling remorseful for cheating on your girlfriend? Let me ask you, do you have a girlfriend? Why am I even asking you this question? A fine boy like this. I know you have so many of them, so there's no point. You have a girlfriend, right?
I don't have a girlfriend.
Then what is the problem? What is it?
Okay, fine. If I tell you, will you help?
You know I can do anything within my reach to make sure that you are happy. My baby, I want you happy always. Don't you think so? Please tell me, what is it?
Listen. I am financially down. Like I am broke.
Ha! Is that it?
Now you're making jest of me, huh?
No.
No, Hala.
No, baby, it's not what you think. It's not like that. But if you have financial problem, the only thing you do is talk to me about it and I'll make transfer into your account. Please, I don't want to cut this euphoria. Like, I feel so good. I feel like a little baby, a newborn baby. So after now, I'm going to make a transfer of 350,000 naira into your account. So, will that do?
Are you sure?
Certainly.
Where is your phone?
Yeah, there. You want to get it? I want you to call the euphoria. I want now.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
I'll go one more and then you make the transfer.
Immediately.
Well, why are you doing like a baby? Eh? I'm the one that I saw you, I picked interest in you. I mean, if I don't like you, I will not be here. Obviously, you know. Why are you behaving like a child?
Well, I already told you I have a boyfriend and there's no way I'm leaving him for you.
Boyfriend? Street boyfriend roaming around without achieving anything. They don't even have anything to offer you, I'm telling you.
Well, whether I had something to offer or not is none of your business. So how do you want me to make your food?
Are we talking about food here? We're not talking about food, obviously. Please, can I have your number, please?
Well, I don't have a phone. And even if I had, there's no way I'm giving you my number.
Ordinary phone number. Phone number digits. No problem. Do you have fried rice?
Yes, I have.
Fried rice or chicken? Salads. Just chicken, beef, whatever you have, just bring it, please.
Okay. You again?
Yes.
I thought I told you I'm not interested.
You know I love your boldness. I love the way you try to be on top of conversations. But it's okay, that's not why I'm here. You told me you do not have a phone. Okay, have it. Take. Open it. I think I like that smile. You like it? You like it?
You got me your phone.
Oh yes, I got your phone.
Oh my God, thank you so much. You don't know how long I've wanted a phone.
Let's see, just like I said, you don't need to thank me, alright? You deserve much more better. Good
Thank
things
you
of
so
life. I mean, you staying here and all of that, it doesn't befit your status actually. You know, not dating all these street urchins that do not have something to offer you, right?
Thank you. I
Yes.
really appreciate it.
So with this, I'm very, very sure that you're going to give me your phone number, right? So we can be in communication.
Well, it's not really a guarantee. What if I say no?
Your smile says yes. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sure you are not lying against her. Because from
What?
your eyes, I can see it. You are
Stop
lying.
that. How will I lie against her?
You liar.
You just call me liar. I'll hit you now.
See, there's a man I know of. You see his story.
I know the man you're talking about. It's not that man that we saw that day.
He always carries one long stick. Yes, that one.
My brother is bad.
So what do you do?
Why you see me? Calm down. This is the right time for you to meet my brother. Brother, welcome.
What are you doing here?
Brother, this is
Shut up your mouth. Young man, what are you doing in my house? My sister?
Notice I know.
You mad? So you want to take advantage of my sister, sleep with her and marry another woman? So what you want to do?
no.
You crazy? You get out. Get out! I do not want to see you in my house again. Right? You! I've told you!
What is it, doggy?
Mama, his brother Elvis.
Elvis? What happened to Elvis?
You need to see the way he disgraced Anayo today. And it wasn't as if we were doing anything serious.
How can Elvis treat Anayo in that manner? Does he think everyone is like him?
I don't know. Mama, I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. I don't like what he did today. It was so heartless. Anayo doesn't deserve what he did to him today. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Don't worry. I will talk to him when he comes back.
You have to.
I will talk to Where is Anayo?
He got angry and left.
It's okay. Eh? Let's go inside. Don't mind Elvis. Don't mind. That boy.
Mama, Uju here is 23 years of age. She just finished university. And she should be focused on how she will go for NYC and not thinking about men.
Elvis, Anayo is not men.
Whether boy or man, the most important thing here is that he is a man, right? And I know what men are capable of doing to women. So please, I would not like anyone to take advantage of my own sister.
Wonderful. Elvis, I know what you're afraid of. Yes. But Anayo is nothing close to you. He's not the type of boys that lives the kind of lifestyle He's not.
Mama, what's the meaning of this? I mean, why the comparison here?
No, sorry, I have to. Yes, I have to. Because you are thinking everyone thinks and behaves like you.
Mama, I have said what I said. I do not want to see Uju with any man until she is ripe and ready for marriage. Please.
Mama, did you just hear what he said now?
Uju, it's okay. Eh? It's okay. He's just being overprotective. That's all.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Thank you so much for the gift you got me. I really, really appreciate it. I can't believe you gave me all this.
It's okay. This is just a small gift. I will spoil you with the good things of life once you accept to be my woman. I will even stop that business you're doing and make sure you go back to school. I'm telling you, these are my plans for you. Just say yes. Then this world will not contain the kind of thing I'm going to get for you.
Well, thank you for the gift once more. I really appreciate it.
Hannah, I really love you. I love you so much. My life seems incomplete without you. So please, can you follow me to my house? I'll bring you back later.
He is a player. He is just a player. It doesn't have what it takes to fall in.
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama? Good afternoon.
Elvis, ihelo onwe gị a na-emekwa gị. Elvis, ihelo onwe gị a na-emekwa gị inwekwa atọmọship. Ọ bụ Nkechi taa, ọ bụla Amaka echi. Ọ nwanne echi ọ bụrụ ụka Amaka, nwanne ya ọ bụrụ Yukeria. Ọ gịnị dị? Ọ gịnị dị? And what is the matter with you? Don't you have respect? Elvis, I've said be the last day I will say it. Last warning, last warning. Stop bringing girls into this house. Stop bringing girls into this house. This house was built by your late father. You must respect that. You must.
Mama now.
But
no, you're shouting. People are doing
that shout. That I'm shouting again. I'm tell me that I'm shouting again. People are hearing my voice. You won't let me hear them. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I can work around warfare.
Mama, calm down now. You've always been telling me to get married. How do I get married?
So what?
I have to be,
Oh, this is how to get married. You want to test every girl in this world before you decide to get married. Okay, Siano? Or can you also Siano? Pacharanya go. Last warning. Last warning. I try by this nonsense again.
It's okay, Mama. I've heard you. Mama, I've heard you. Stop shouting. We are outside. People are walking.
I'm that I'm shouting again. That I'm shouting again.
Sorry.
In fact, pack your things. Go back to the city. Yes.
I don't understand. My father's house.
I'm saying, pack your things and go back to the city.
I'm returning tomorrow. Take it easy now. I've heard you. Before you know now, you start complaining to me that your BP has risen to 220.
If anything happens to me,
Where is Mama?
Yeah, she.
Oh, Mama, I'm going back to the city.
Okay. Good job, Ma.
Let's go.
Yes, because I have found a new way to make cool cash. No stress, bro.
Okay. How do you intend to go about this? I mean, you just found a new way of making money. Cool cash. How?
You remember that babe? The one I told you approached me the other day and then she took me out. Afterwards, she gave me 50,000 naira.
Yes, I do.
Good.
Wait. You saw her? Again? Don't tell me she's the one that changed your dressing room.
My brother, that babe gave me the sum of 350,000 naira for shining her pomo, for smoothing her combo.
You are kidding me. Wait, 350 what? Hey! Wait. Nah, sign up fee.
No, match allowance.
Hey! Oh boy. What?
Hello?
So, ready for the little romance?
Hey, beautiful. How are you? It took you so long to call me.
Yeah, I was supposed to have called, but office work won't allow me. So where are you then coming to pick you?
Oh, no. Don't worry. Just send me your live location and I'll be there before you know it. And I hope you've got some goodies for me.
Sure, I have a lot of goodies for you. So I'm at Crown Hotel.
Crown Hotel. Okay. It's not far from me. Just send me the live location, like I said, and I'll be there. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh boy, this babe call.
Wait. Who be this new player again where you no tell me?
My brother, na impromptu signing, I no planner. She meets me when this other babe carry me go out for shopping. And I just gave her my number. So I've been expecting her calls since 100 hours ago. Now I wish she can't date another me. You know, understand?
So you go start to play this match now.
See, you know what make me at the jubilate like this? This babe be like person way ho. In fact, she go pay past Dorothy. And she will be easy to manipulate. You know, as they take run am now. My guy.
Hi. You be Victor Osimhen. Victor Osimhen, one of Galatasaray. Now what do you do? By the way, when you take the strike now, now how tricky they go?
Coach, calm down now. If they talk like this, wetin you want make me I talk? Now you be C. Ronaldo. We score 1,000 goals and still counting. Greatest of all time, aka GOAT.
I know, but it be like say you want the collect job from my hand. But what the way you strike? Don't be smart, you know. Make I no go there for 14, when my mates there for top 1.
Coach, don't be so now. The reason like that now. You know, say na formation where you give me, now I use the defeat, you know, they operate, you know, they knock. And anytime I knock, I must collect better points, 3 points. You know, we know they share points now. You know, we know they share points.
Hey! Oh boy, this one they shock me.
But Coach, this formation where you give me, be like say, soon you go collect work from Guardiola handle.
Oh boy! Hey, I beg. Come go, eh? If you reach there, make you play your game well. You know, since San Siro, now you won't play this ball like this. Make sure, say, if anything they come, they put them for my side. Make I follow you, they strike.
No wahala now. Nah, I no go dull like Onana.
We do the Champions League together.
He is business minded all the way. His eyes on the money and nothing else but the money. He operates like a smooth criminal. If you got the money, come on, bring it now.
Yeah, I'm here. In front of the building. All right.
Hi.
Hey, sweetie. How are you? I'm okay.
But it wasn't difficult to...
No, it wasn't at all. Sorry. Just a minute. Let me take this call. Hello? Hey, sweetie, how are you? Are you back? Oh, no, not yet. Okay, I thought you should be back by now. Few days' time. It's all right. Let me know once you step into town. All right. Yeah, I'm missing you too, okay? All right, hope to see you soon, okay? Talk to you some other time. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Sweetie, what's up?
What was that?
Come on. Let's go inside.
Operates like a smooth criminal. If you got the money, come on, bring it now.
You, Daniel. You're way stronger than I thought. What was that?
And I never knew you could go more than a round.
With all the energy that you bring, I can handle more.
Are you sure you have the stamina?
Oh well. So now, have I passed the test of having you all to myself?
Yes, you passed. Just that I don't have the resources to sustain you. You know you deserve a princess treatment.
Honey, I do not need your money. I have all the money that we will need. All I ask of you is just for you to love me and your undivided attention. And I assure you that all you need will be provided. You'll be well taken care of.
What do you want me to say?
Say that you'll be mine, all mine. So you'll be taking me to your place after now, right?
I would have loved to, just that I don't have a place. To be honest, I am squatting in a friend's house.
Yeah, it's okay, I understand. I also would not feel comfortable going there. Hmm. Maybe, just maybe. I should get you a place when I return from my business trip. What do you say?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
In that case, you deserve another big round.
Give me some sugar, baby. This is better than all the others. The sitting room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, they're all top notch.
Wow. This is beautiful.
I told you, if you keep making me happy, more will come.
Hey, honey. You have done more than I ever wished for. Thank you so much. You're the best.
You know, right from the very first day I spotted you at the mall, I knew we were cut out for each other.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
You're the best. I promise to always make you happy. I will do whatever you want. But, first of all, go show me the bedroom.
You want to see the bedroom?
Yes.
I'll show you the bedroom, naughty boy.
Come on, please. Let it be the master's check.
Look how yours makes the most of it.
Hannah. Hannah. So you're sleeping by this time of the day. Are you sure you're okay? You're fine. And you're sleeping. You really need to go and see a doctor. Where's the money?
Sure, I'm not pregnant. This one I've not seen my period for 2 months now. But I bear now.
Do you know you're a good cook? I mean, you cook more than all these ladies out there. I mean, look at the formation here. The lineup is bomb.
It is called basmati rice.
You said?
basmati rice.
Mr. Chef, you're doing well. That reminds me. How about that girl that got you this place? This beautiful place. Are you still with her?
My brother. She's still there. You know, I extort money from her whenever I want. Thank you one more time for opening my eyes, making me understand how I can use these women to my own advantage. And it has been a successful journey ever since. As a matter of fact, I call this whole transactions I have been having with these women a legit business. It is what it is. Business is business, either ways.
You know what baffles me is that I gave you this update as the coach. I gave you the formations you're using as Pep Guardiola, the chief coach. And you, my assistant, Ateta, is doing these things more than me. How come? You're not even giving me the new updates. Maybe you got one from outside or somewhere else. See, this is why Pep Guardiola is having problem with Ateta. And also with Enzo Maresca. I'm telling you, you're not doing well. Man, you're a lord now.
I understand your point, but you still remain the coach. As a matter of fact, you are still that player they call C. Ronaldo that scored 1,000 goals and still counted. Who am I?
Well,
I'm just my countryman brother called Victor Osimhen.
Victor Osimhen. African legend.
My brother. Joke apart, I want to say thank you for giving me the 4-3-3-S formation.
Waiter. Hi, beautiful. Hi. She doesn't want to talk. Okay, maybe we should try sign language. How about this? She's laughing already. I got you.
You're so funny. Seriously.
I know.
Wait, did you just do that?
Yeah, just the only thing I could use to get your attention.
You're so funny. Seriously.
I'm glad I did.
Oh,
So,
What is this beautiful girl doing here all alone?
Anyway, I'm just hanging out by myself. But you're alone too.
Oh, yes, I am new to town, so I decided to drive around to check out new restaurants in town. And I bumped into a beautiful girl like you, sitting here all alone.
Okay. Welcome to town.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Um, I'm Elvis. So what is your beautiful name?
Melissa.
Melissa. Wow, that's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
So, you stay here?
Anyway, before we answer you that, you have to drop some desperado here.
Oh, that wouldn't be a problem. Waiter! Pardon my manners.
No problem.
Waiter! So tell me more about you. You reside here? Or what?
Hello, pretty.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Waiting for someone?
Precisely.
Oh, nice. I we just in guest?
Yes, on a business trip.
Oh, wow. In that case, can we chill out later in the day? Can I have your number? Please? Yeah, I know I'm a stranger, but you won't regret it.
Okay.
Good. Oh, my name is Daniel. May I know yours?
I'm Emerald.
Good. I'll give you a call later. I'll see you around. Take it. How are you doing, my love?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, the afternoon is really good. So, what's going on? How is business today?
Who was the woman that just dropped you off?
Woman. Oh, come on, my love. You ask too many questions.
That's because the other ones I've asked, you haven't answered. What's going on with you, Daniel?
I'm really thirsty right now. I hope the drinks are chilled.
Call me to come and help. Don't worry, I can do it. We can help. I don't need your help. I want to do it myself.
No problem. But me, Mama, I've been thinking something lately.
Really?
Yes.
What is it?
It's about brother Elvis.
Elvis.
Yes. Mama, it's that time you got him a wife.
Ujunwa, I don't understand the angle you are coming from. Chacha.
Mama, you don't understand. Okay, I'll make you to understand. Okay. There are many beautiful girls in this village. This is not the case that is not into village girls. You saw what he did to that girl that sell food the other day.
Mama, you need to get Brother Elvis' wife if he doesn't want to settle down. He has been staying in the city for a very long time now. And he has been seeing different girls with big uku. He doesn't want to pick one and settle down. Mama, get him a wife. Just find one girl and give to him. Let him marry and settle down. Because me, I want to settle down too. Or you want me to get married before him? Mama.
Honestly, there is sense in what you just said.
Bam. I'm not seeing from my own angle. When are you going to get one for him?
It's okay now.
No, Mama, you see.
I've heard what you said. It's okay.
So you are going to do something about it?
Yes, I'll do something about it.
Even if you see one, just tell me, would you have seen one? Oh, see this girl, she's beautiful. Can we get this one for Brother Elvis? And I will look into it. Then if I look into it...
Ujunwa!
Mama.
That's in goes go.
Okay.
It's okay.
No problem.
It's bad. I was going to Tabasco in her break.
Problem.
Mama, good evening, ma.
Nna, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you and Uju?
We are fine. No, I hold the quiet. I hold the eye. Nna, there is something very important. I've been trying to tell you. But let me wait till I concluded on it.
Mama, what is it this time?
We are finding you a wife.
What? Mama, please.
Elvis, I'm serious. So you think I'm joking?
What do you mean by you're finding me a wife? Why don't you just use your time productive? Find something good to use with your time. Why are you telling me you're finding me a wife as a toddler or a teenager?
Elvis, if for this year must not pass you by. You must get married this year. Me choroya, whether you like it or not. You must get married this year.
Mama, please. Because I don't want to sound disrespectful, Mama. Please, I'm hanging up this call on you. I have some other things to do.
Elvis, you go hanya this boy. Who abandon your phone nanti? You think I'm joking with him? Elvis, whether you like it or not, you must get married this year. Since the city girls are not good for you, I'm sure the village girl will be good. I must find you a girl to marry in this village. You will come.
Still a surprise you accepted to hang out.
You are free with your thoughts. I think I like your quality.
Thank you. As a matter of fact, we have come to know each other to an extent, and I would like to know what you do for a living. As for me, I am into clothing. I've got a boutique. I sell designers, clothes, and shoes.
I am a banker.
Banker? Wow, wow, that's interesting. Lucky you.
Thank you.
And I must say, I like your sense of humor. You look good as well.
Oh, thank you.
That's nice. So do you need any other thing like something to...
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
This is how bankers do, just bottle water. The other time I saw you, just bottle water and now you're drinking bottle water. Don't you eat? Don't you guys eat? Or you get filled up with the smell of money.
Hey, baby. Danny. Daniel. Babe. Danny, Mama is here. Danny. What happened yesterday that you could not take my calls?
Is that supposed to be good morning?
Do not patronize me because I'm not buying that. Who were you with last night? Bitch. What are you doing in my man's house?
What do you mean your man's house? I don't understand.
I can see that you're so dumb. If you don't get yourself out of this place now.
Listen, I like to respect people, but what I won't take is you calling me name.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
Hey, how dare you?
What's wrong with you?
What did you just do? Do you know who you just slapped?
I don't care to know.
Have you lost it?
I do not care to know. If she does not leave this house this moment, she will see the other side of me.
No. You are the one to leave this house. Do you understand? And let me tell you for the last time, I don't ever want to see you set your filthy feet into this house again. Now get out!
Daniel.
Now get out.
Don't do this to me.
I said get out!
Daniel!
Oh, I don't have time for this! Get out!
Daniel, don't do this to me!
I said move!
Daniel!
Move!
Do you know what you're doing?
Move yourself out of this
place! Do you
place!
know what you're doing?
Get out!
Daniel, don't do this to me!
I know what I'm doing. Get out! Nonsense. Hey, babe. Honey. Babe. Hey, baby, I said I am sorry.
Don't you dare touch me. Don't even touch me.
Please listen to me. I said I'm sorry, okay? Honey. Babe, please.
Leave me the hell alone.
Please. Just listen to me. I said I am so sorry, okay?
Who is she? Who was that woman that just slapped me? She's not the same woman who dropped you at my shop the other day, is she? Answer me!
Hey, babe, listen. I love you. And everything I am doing is for our own good, okay?
Is she the owner of this house? Is she the owner of this house?
Yes. She bought this place.
But, listen, like I said, okay, it's for our own good.
Don't you ever in your life come near me ever again.
Babe?
How could he? What nerve? How could he do all of this after everything I have done for him? What else does he want? What have I not done? What sacrifices have I not made? Eh? Is it love? I have given him so much love. What more does he want? I have loved him as a mother should love someone. I have loved him as a wife. I've even loved him as a sister, as a friend. I have loved him. What more does he want? Why can't he just wait? Why can't he wait on God? Just as I'm confident that God will see him through and someday everything is just going to pan out. Why does he need all those women? Why does he flirt with them just for material gains? Why?
IJ, just calm down, please. You have so many whys. Why this, why that? Asking all these questions will not give you any solution. You need to calm down first, okay? Now tell me the truth. You know I'm your friend. What was his reactions when the lady slapped you?
Don't you trust me? The moment she insulted Ijoma, I threw her out. And I told her never to come back here. You know how much I love her. I mean, Ijoma, you know I don't joke with her.
This is so serious, my guy. You know, this girl do not understand what you do, the reason behind what you do. If you don't do them, I mean, you wouldn't be here. Look at you. Look at how big you are today. So, of course, you did the right thing.
Thank you, my brother. You know Ijoma means the whole world to me.
Of course.
I love her so much.
She's the top striker now, you know? Hmm?
If other women can be like Ijoma, this world will be a better place. Drink up, my brother.
I agree with you. Keep doing what you do, okay?
And I think we should...
Okay. My guy,
better days ahead.
Victor Osimhen!
See Ronaldo.
Well, since he defended you so well, that means he chose you over her. That means you're very important to him. So if he asks me, I will say both of you should sort things out. Yes. Try to know why he do what he does. Okay? Please.
Listen, I get all you're saying. But it does not justify the fact that Daniel cheated on me with other women. None. He doesn't have any reason. None whatsoever.
You are even lucky. That your guy is very handsome. That women throw themselves at him. If you ask me, just give him listening ear, okay? Hear me out. Please. Take your call. Please. Take your calls now. Please.
What do you want?
Your house is so beautiful. I can't believe you're living here alone.
Yes. Do you want to live with me here? You have all the power, you know, right? Ah, have I told you that you are looking so good?
I think I have to leave.
Oh, come on. Hey, come on.
Stop it!
Hey, come on. Hey, come on. I am sorry, okay?
What do you think you're doing? Eh? This is my first time of coming to your house and you want to have sex with me?
Hey, come on. You're shouting. I didn't ask you for sex.
What is written all over you? I'm not a kid.
Alright, I'm really sorry, okay? Please, let's just put all of this behind us, okay?
See, listen, I don't know why you're showing interest in me. But if it's because of sex, I don't think it's going to work.
I just apologized. I am sorry, okay? To not repeat itself again. Come sit down, please. Sit. I apologize, okay?
It's okay. I hope you're not going to do that again.
That's all right.
Be a gentleman.
Will.
Courtesy demands that you should inform people before coming to their house. See, I don't like it when someone comes here unannounced. Now, why would you come here to fight every single soul you see? Does not make any sense. You don't even know who these people are to me. I will pardon this insanity of yours on one condition. That you inform me whenever you want to come to my house. Else, you will remain outside.
I accept. I'll do whatever it takes to make this relationship work. Daniel!
Baby, this meal smells so nice. Baby, you're always magical, you know how to do this thing in the kitchen. You're the best chef I've ever seen. I mean, this meal is the best I've ever had in age right now. Whoa!
Baby, you're flattering me too much.
Come on, you deserve it, baby. You deserve it.
Okay.
This is so nice.
Alright, babe. Let me feed you.
Oh, come on. No, I'm not a baby, okay?
Baby, open your mouth.
Babe.
My hand is paining me.
Okay. Thank you, baby.
You're
Come on.
welcome.
Open your mouth. Open it.
We cannot even add small chicken.
Open it first. Finish this one first.
Okay.
Look at the way you opened your mouth.
So I'm trying.
All right.
You look so good.
Thank you. So, where are you taking me for my birthday?
Okay. Somewhere special.
Mm-hmm.
But I've got something more special for you.
Really?
Yes.
But I can't see anything.
Okay. You're searching. Search more, baby.
Yeah.
All right. Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure you don't cheat.
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
It's closed.
Okay. Open your eyes. Da-da-da.
Wait. Wait. You got me a car?
I got you a car, yes.
No, wait. I don't understand.
I got you a car.
You got me a car?
Yes.
Babe, wait. Are you playing?
I'm not
with
joking
me?
now. Come on.
Wait. You got me a car?
Yeah, open your hands.
Oh my God.
It's yours.
Wait.
Hold down. I know. You know you mean so much to me.
Baby, I love you so much.
I love you more.
You got me a car. Hey,
Come.
I can't be calm.
I do not want you to go out for shopping or go to the market, right? With your legs, walking on the street or taking a cab. So right now, you are a car owner. You can use your car anytime, any day.
God, baby, I just feel like crying.
I know.
I don't know how to thank you.
Don't I
don't
deserve
know
a
how
kiss, at least?
You deserve more than that.
All right, let me go and show you.
Let's go.
Hold on, come on.
Hey, honey. What's with your face? What is it?
You refused to celebrate my birthday with me. Not even a wish from you.
Oh, I'm sorry I didn't know about it. And what was that?
2 days ago. I chose not to tell you because I don't want to talk about it.
Believe me, I did not know about it. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry now. You know what? Go upstairs, get dressed. I'm going to take you out and spoil you a little bit. Yes.
Where are you taking me to?
Don't worry about that. I'll take you to somewhere you are going to enjoy. Like, you are going to enjoy it. Go, okay? Go. Go and dress up. Get dressed. I am waiting.
I am so horny now. I don't even know how I'll be staying with a woman I can't even have simple sex with. What kind of problem is this? I'm off, man.
Maybe I was looking for you inside. Moreover, you left me all alone last night.
I had to.
Why?
Because I was horny.
Is that a good reason?
It is more than a good reason. What are you talking about? Am I some log of wood you keep in the bedroom? When I want sex, you don't want sex. What do you want me to do? No, tell me. Sometimes I get horny, right? So the best thing for me to do is to leave you there and go so I don't kill myself because of my sexual urge.
Babe, please calm down. Don't be mad at me, okay?
I am mad at you. No. On a serious note, when I try to touch your this thing, you tell me you're tired. You're tired this. I'm a man, right? I'm always on fire sometimes. Wait. You're yet to be my wife. Is this what you're going to do when we get married?
No.
You're already showing it.
Baby, please just calm down. I'm going to make it up to you.
Are you sure?
Of course. Now smile. Give me a smile.
Let this not be one of your fake promises.
No, I'm serious.
Serious?
Yeah, smile. Give me a smile. Don't worry now. You're going to be tired of it too. Okay, just calm down.
You seem worried. Even during our lovemaking, it seems your mind is somewhere else.
I am fine.
Come on, you're not. Share your problem with me. What bothers you? Please.
I made a silly mistake, and that is hurting.
What happened? Talk to me.
I used the last money in my account to purchase a car. And that is because I needed the car. But a few hours before you came, I received a call from the village that my mother is critically ill.
You should have told me. Moreover, the car you bought is a good thing.
Good? What is good about it? When I don't have a dime to send for my mother's hospital bill, I am broke right now.
Look, you're my boyfriend. I should help you in times like this. How much do you need?
Any amount.
I don't understand. I am in this relationship with you for 4 months now, and I can't even touch you.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. Please, it's just that...
Just that what? Haven't I proven myself beyond reasonable doubt that I love you? I keep proving myself. I've not even stayed this long without having sex. I keep proving to you, and you don't seem to appreciate my effort. What's going on?
Baby, please try and understand now, please. Try and understand.
Melissa, I want you to make me understand. Explain to me what I need to understand, because at this point, I don't understand.
I
need this so badly, please. I need it so badly.
Hold on. You have to use protection.
Protection?
Yes.
Baby, wait a minute. Please.
Where are you going to?
Now without telling me. What is this? Oh. Babe.
Are you okay?
I'm not fine. I've been trying to call your phone and it's not available. What happened to you?
Babe, I stepped out this morning and some boys took my phone from me. And they were armed with knives.
My God. I hope they did not injure you.
No, baby, I'm fine. Aside my phone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm okay. As you can see, I'm fine.
My God. I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
And I was thinking what we had last night didn't mean anything to you.
Ha! It means more than that to me now.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Oh. Oh, you know, I miss you so much. Babe, I think I have to take you to the hospital now. I don't know what kind of sickness is this.
Baby, I'm fine.
You're not fine.
You said I'm fine.
Since you have refused telling Elvis what is wrong with you, that you are sick, I think it falls on me to do what is needful, right? So please get up. We're going to the hospital now, please. Don't even say no, please. Get up. Get up.
Baby, don't bother.
No. Get up, please. Get up. Can you be sick? You wouldn't even tell me what the problem is.
Baby, I'm very cold.
Come, dress up, please. Come. No. Come, we need to go to the hospital. Right?
Hey, sweetie.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Obviously, you're heading my way. Why don't you hop in? Let me drop you off.
No, sorry. I'm not.
But you're standing right here. It means you're going this way.
But how are you sure I'm going this way?
Okay.
What if I'm going this way?
It doesn't matter. I can take you to wherever way you're going.
Oh, really?
Into the car. Let me give you a lift.
Thank you. I don't ride with strangers.
Hey, sugar, come on. I'm not a ritualist.
Well, it's not reaching here.
Okay, listen.
I don't fight, okay? Just the lift, that's all. Look at me. I'm not in that car. Okay?
So please, just hop into the car and I'll take you to wherever you're going.
Why are you so stubborn? I don't want to go in.
Okay, listen. The sun is quite hot, okay? And I just want to be a good Samaritan. It's not good for a pretty lady like you standing under the scorching sun, okay? So hop in.
Thank you so much. I just want to stand.
What if I'm waiting for someone?
That someone must be wicked. Yes, keeping an angel like you under the scorching sun.
It's fine. You won. Let's go.
Good.
I guess this is your compound.
Yes, this is where I live. I guess it's mission accomplished for you.
Not yet. I will be somehow satisfied after going on a date with you.
Excuse you. What do you want?
If you don't mind, can I have your phone number? Please.
Okay. Juliet is the name.
Juliet.
Yeah.
May I be your Romeo?
Stop kidding.
All right, I'll give you a call.
All right. Thank you for the ride. See you some other time.
No problems.
Bye.
Bye. Baby, we've not really talked about our upcoming marriage.
But we are talking about it now. Let's just say I want something simple and quiet.
I want same too.
Are you,
Something simple.
are you serious?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't we go to the registry next week and get married?
Registry.
Yes, baby.
Why registry? I mean, I'm supposed to meet with your people, and you too meet with mine. I mean, as tradition demands.
No, baby, no. My father is a catechist. And my mom, she's the head of CWO. So if they find out that I'm pregnant before marriage, it will really cause a whole lot of problem for them. So we just have to lay low. Maybe when baby come, we introduce them to our families.
Babe, I'm not comfortable with this. I mean, this is a blessing, right? And we're doing the right thing by going to your village to do the traditional things and all of that. How can this be a problem to them? I really don't understand what you're saying.
Babe, I know that, but you will not understand, seriously. It will be really, really difficult for my parents to cope with it. And moreover, the best thing there is that we're getting married legally.
Yeah. Yeah, legally, yeah.
Babe,
I'm just not comfortable with this.
I'm comfortable with it.
We've been chatting from Facebook to WhatsApp.
Wow. He's so cute. Where does he live?
We're in the same city. He wanted us to meet today, but I said no.
Why would you say no?
He looks so rich, apart from being handsome.
Seems you're thinking what I'm thinking.
Chop his money and clean mouth. Why don't you drop him a message on WhatsApp?
You're right.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Daniel. What's up? Okay, yeah, I have accepted to meet with you, but it has to be my place of choice. What location, venue should I give to him? Where should we meet?
Let's think of somewhere good and expensive. You know, he needs to know he's coming to meet babes with SS swag.
This guy does not know what he's about to get
He
himself
doesn't
into.
That's all.
New fish. Big one.
It's nice. You like it, right? Yeah, pepper.
Yeah.
I usually come here to hang out because there's a live band going on. And if you don't mind, I can make more orders, you know. I'm going ready.
Babes, the guy is so handsome and fun to be with.
Yeah. But that's not what I'm signing in for. He might be rich, given the way he paid the whole bills without asking question.
Yeah. Babes, you need to hold this one very tight and make him pay. You need to pay very well.
Sure. The street today. The streets must pay. Go pay.
Imagine now.
Oh my God. Baby, you're back.
Oh, I didn't even know you're back. How was the day?
It was fine. But I saw the way you were enjoying yourself and I don't want to disturb you.
Yes. Babe, I actually don't want you to see this as if I'm complaining, okay? But I don't like how our marriage is going.
I don't understand.
Baby, like, what I mean is that you are hardly around. When we sleep together, you just leave without telling me. Sometimes you leave my house 3-4 days without coming back home. Please, I really need to know what is going on because I don't get it.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But I wish I can change it. Please.
Baby, I've been talking about this and you're not even talking about changing anything. Babe, you're always upset-minded even when you are here. Imagine you leaving my house without telling me. Around my house, I don't understand. What's going on, please? This has been going on for so many years. We've been married.
We both have apologized now. Try and understand, please.
Wait. You think it's normal you live in my house for days without telling me where you went to?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Even as you're complaining now, my stomach is... Baby's kicking. Baby's angry, baby, because you're angry with me.
I don't know, I just want to know. Daniel, I don't understand my wife anymore. She is behaving so strange. She hardly talks to me whenever we are together. Seems like she's distancing herself from me.
Are you sure she's not going through some stress you do not know about?
I doubt so. I have never seen her in this kind of mood before. She is always alone. Alone. And alone. I don't even know her friends.
You see, pregnancy comes with this change in mood.
Probably she is undergoing the stages in mood swings. You understand? When she puts to bed, I believe she will start behaving well.
Danny, you think so?
I know so.
Well, I can't wait for that day to come. I mean, very, very fast.
Just take it easy with her. You know, women, they are unpredictable. So, be soft with her. That's all.
Yeah, who is that?
It's not actually like that, you know. I've been busy, but I never forget about you. So, did you miss me? Uh-huh. Busy, but I never forget about you. Did you miss me? Uh-huh. And what is she doing here?
I should be the one asking that. What are you doing in my house? Daniel, I thought you said it was over between both of you. So what is she doing in my house?
Listen, if you both don't behave.
If you both don't behave, I will have to excuse myself.
No, you're not going anywhere. You will stay here and tell this idiot to leave my house this minute.
This idiot. Was that for me?
Oh, no. The hippopotamus behind you.
Oh. Daniel, you planted this fool to insult me in your own house. And you must be delusional to have called me an idiot in my man's house. Are you all right? Are you stupid or learning how to be stupid?
You have a man? You call Daniel your man? Huh? You throw this bag of bones on Daniel and you call him your man?
I can call Daniel whatever I deem face. Do you know where we started? Do you know when we started? You just packed your things and moved into a man's house without thinking of how he started and how he got where he is.
I do not care to know where you guys started from. I don't bloody care.
And what planet are you
You
coming
can
from?
go ahead and breastfeed him because he's your son.
I can do whatever I so wish. Yes, he is my man. And you cannot do anything about it. And you, if you know where you're coming from, you better go back there.
Look here. I do not want to go upstairs and come back down here and see you in this house. Before I get up and come down, get out of this house.
And if you come down and see me, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You won't do
wait
anything.
Here.
You won't
wait
do
here for
anything.
me to go up and come down and meet you here. You just wait here.
You won't do anything. Hey, Daniel! Daniel, you need to come down here. Come down and sort this place out now. What is this? She's even inside this house for crying out loud. Daniel! Daniel, you don't want to come back, right? Very well then. I will be back.
And he is good at what he do. He is just a
Why are you doing this to me? You couldn't even come to defend me when that scallywag was insulting me.
I thought you already left. Please, get out.
Danny, why are you this cold towards me? What have I done?
Daniel, you made your choice and I'm only respecting it. Just leave me alone, please. No, leave me alone. I don't have the strength to fight those numerous women over you. What do you want from me? So you always say. No. I'm listening. And so? You know what? Is there a purpose to this conversation? Fine. I've heard you.
Promise you'll come back and spend the night with me.
Well, I can't make you such a promise because I have to go to church for an online vigil.
You and church. Can't you sacrifice it and then make up your mind to spend one night with me? Just one night.
No, I would not do that. I can't make such a sacrifice because God gives me life on a daily. So being grateful to him is a must.
Mommy G, oh.
I'm sorry. Make sure to eat enough, okay?
I will.
miss you, my darling.
Why are you blocking the road? Why are you blocking the road? Listen, I am here to warn you for the last time. Stay away from Daniel. Stay away from my man. Daniel. Do you know that name? Daniel. Stay away from Daniel. I am not going to warn you again. I am not.
So you come and you block my way because of Daniel. You block my way because of a man. Let me tell you, when I am ready for you, you will not just leave Daniel, but you will leave this town. Mark my words. Mark my words.
You know, a dog that is going to bite won't bark much. But that one that barks a lot is the one that is not going to do anything. I am warning you for the last time, like I said, stay away from Daniel.
Excuse me, lady, take this car out of my way. Take this car out of my way. You want to see the other side of me? You want to see the other side of me?
Do you have any other side?
You want to see the other side of me?
Do you have any
You want to see what I can do? I say when I am done with you, when I'm ready for you, you will not just leave Daniel, but you will leave this town. Take this shit out of the way.
What is that your name again? This is the last
You want me to root things out for you? Just wait. Just wait. Like I bring things out for you now, you go know. You go know. You're still standing there. You want to see what I can do? You want to see what I can do, Abi? See, let's leave classiness out of this. Well, if I take my time ready for you and make I tell you, you go lost. If I take my time like this ready for you, you go lost. Just take your time for this town. Look at you. Because of that, you block my way. Take your old self, your old boobs, and your old coin out of this place. Come and move this shit out of this.
It's the last warning, baby.
Nonsense. They talk, you they talk. And they follow man, you they follow man, you they crave. Don't bath. Come on, that's it for us. Move this thing outside, jam you.
So, babe, you're actually going to see him? Yeah. I've posted him too much. And you know how the game is being played. At a time, you dangle him the meat. So like a dog, he'll be running after you.
That's it, babe. Go and set the trap for the catch.
You can say that again.
My baby.
Babe. I think it's high time we met our families. Our kids are 2 years already, and you're still giving excuses. Babe, I'm talking to you.
Babe, we'll still go and see them, but not in this my current condition.
Babe, that is what you keep saying every now and then. See, I want to meet with your family. I want to know you more. I want you also to meet with my own family and know them more. Thank God our village is not even far from each other, so we can go tomorrow. Don't worry, I will drive you.
It's okay, I understand. But you know, I don't want to take the risk. The long drive, potholes, it might cause complications. You know, this pregnancy is still tender.
Enough, babe. Enough! I've had a lot of patience. For how many years? 2 years. I do not know your parent. I do not know your friends. I do not know your siblings. And you're telling me, what are you talking about? Please, like I said, it's high time we do this. Pico.
Please calm down now. Calm down and understand me. Baby, please, I don't want to lose my baby. You know, the road to my village is very bad. Try and understand.
Can you just stop
please.
this? I just said I am going to drive you. And of course, I know you're pregnant. I'm going to drive you carefully.
Babe, I know. But the road is bad. There's no way you can avoid the potholes. Please.
Oh my God.
Please.
Oh my God.
Please now, understand. See, baby, it's not like I don't want you to meet my parents. I really want you to do that. I will even be happy if you meet them. But I can't risk the life of my baby. Please. As I'm talking to you, I'm having some pains. Seriously.
I'm just worried.
Baby, just massage my wrist.
So.
I'm okay now.
Here we are.
Wow.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Your house is nice, beautiful. Do you live alone?
Yeah, for now. But I hope to live with you in this house someday.
Oh, you have your way with words, you know.
You can say that again. You see, my darling, I have never been this serious all my life. Honestly, I have come to like you so much. The truth is, I have fallen for you, Yakata. And I want you to be my baby. Let me spoil you.
You know what? We have all the time to discuss about it, okay?
Pardon my manners. What will I offer you? As for me, I like it chilled and strong. What about you?
That's exactly what fits the weather.
I like it when Pretty Downstairs talks about the weather. Weather for 2, weather for 3. I'll be right back.
All right.
Hey, my sister.
Oh, my good friend. You're looking beautiful.
Leave beauty first. Everything has fallen back in place. It has gone back the way it used to be. I am super happy. Hey.
Wow.
I'm
so happy for you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And you see, you've done enough for this guy. You deserve to enjoy every single moment with him.
My darling, I thought I have lost him. With his grace to dupe all of those women, I thought he was gone. There was no coming back from it. Because that part was a horrible one. But guess what?
What?
He left every single one of them. It's just him and I.
Wonderful.
And
I'm so
I'm
happy. I told you. Oh, that means my style really works. Or the dog who told them. Now you own a bottle of drink.
Hey, Nana, you for talk. Don't try to say doggy.
Give me drink, give me drink, give me drink. That calls for celebration.
Cocoa, Fanta.
No, I need 5 for like which cocoa for this bad economy. Waiting 100 I go
for this bad economy, now you want to chop on my profit, you be thief.
I deserve it now. I
deserve
advance
Guinea.
you. Give me cocoa. Don't worry, give me Fanta. Give me
Fanta.
Give me
If
Fanta.
I don't talk and since now.
My good friend, eh? No,
hey, don't be smart.
Babe, what's up? Gist me now. Babes, you need to see this guy's house. Hi! Man, this guy's house fine, that very big. I knew he was rich. It's chilled all over him. Yeah, you're correct. But I sure don't understand him. Oh. What is it?
He didn't give me money. Do you know I actually paid my transportation?
He might be testing you. Some rich guys are like that.
Yeah, you're
So what's
correct.
Man, this guy is so cute and romantic.
Met talking and looking into my eyes. My panties got wet.
Shit. But babe, don't forget you're into this for the money. Not his face or the love.
Yeah. I just pray I can ignore that.
Oh, lover girl.
Hey, baby, you're here. Babe, why are you crying? My God, I've never seen you cry before in my life. What is it? Why are you crying?
Baby, I love you so much. And I want you to know that no matter what happens, I love you from the depths of my heart.
Babe, you've never told me you love me since we got married. This is so strange. I mean, what is going on? Tell me.
Love, you have shown me so much love that I cannot express.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Is that why you're crying?
I just thank the Lord for bringing you my way.
Oh, too.
Love you.
Don't worry, okay? I'll always be here for you. Promise me you'll always be here for me.
I promise.
You won't go away, right?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you more.
Hey, darling. I want to let you know that I feel so good having one of the most successful bankers in this city all to myself.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what that means? It means I will never go broke.
Really?
What about the loan I requested for?
Come on. Once I promise something, I'll make it happen. Trust me.
That's my baby girl. You're such a darling. You're the best. Tell me, how do you want it? Really?
Mm-hmm.
You should go upstairs?
Yes. Hey! Who is she?
Babe, how did you get in here? Babe, where did you come? Babe! Honey! Babe!
No!
Babe, come.
What just happened here? No. Daniel! Daniel!
Babe! Honey! Shit! Let's go.
Hey!
I'm sorry. You know I felt bad when I went to the I'm so sorry, please.
But actually telling like he slapped me. I only left because of this that happened.
I know. That's why I'm here. I'm sorry. You need to start picking my calls. Talk to me now. She's fine. But she's worried about me. She wants to see me. You start picking my calls.
I don't know.
Daniel, what's going on? What is wrong with you?
A lot.
You don't call me. I have been calling you. You've not been taking my calls.
A lot has been going on lately.
Tell me, baby. What's wrong?
Listen, you're still a student. I don't want to get you distracted with my personal issues, okay?
Try me. Please.
My business is going down because the goods I ordered have been seized. I have used almost
all my money to bribe these people, yet they refused to release those goods. These goods' worth is over 60 million naira.
Whoa. That's a huge sum of money.
Yeah.
What are you going to do about it?
Like I said, I have spent all my life savings. I came up with the idea of using my car as collateral to raise the sum of 550,000 naira or more.
Don't do that. I mean, to give up your car for just 550,000 naira.
I don't have a choice.
I think I can help. I can give you the money. But you have to give it back as soon as you have it.
Is this a joke or something? Where on earth will you get that kind of money from? You're just a student.
I know, my love. My dad just sent my school fees and my monthly allowance. So, I'm going to give you the money. Besides, I can raise my school fees before examination.
This sounds like a dream. You're the last person I expected to come through for me.
It's alright. I miss you, baby.
I miss you more.
My darling. Oh.
I think we should go upstairs. Let me give you what you deserve. Huh?
Of course, I miss it. My baby.
If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love will make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your cheek. Here is a smooth scream.
Hold on, babe. Was that why you missed the first lecture? See, babe, you made a very big mistake. Why would you give him your school fees?
Babes, this guy almost cried before me.
Ha! I can't just watch a grown man cry because of his predicament. Besides, I love him. And he promised to pay back. And you know, if you want something from a guy, you should be able to make him trust you well enough.
But babe, you know, that wasn't the plan now. You don't fuck up. Eh?
I know. I just can't help it. I don't know. I just find myself in love with this guy.
Love, love, love. This love.
Love a girl.
Sha? I just pray you recover the money before exam starts.
What do you want and how did you find me?
I had to. I'm here because I have a proposal for you. I realize that you're poor and struggling to survive. I want to offer you 5 million naira to stay away from a man.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that proposal. Well, it's not necessary. I don't want it. How desperate can you be? For a woman? Really? You don't need to be so desperate. No man will want to be with a woman that's this desperate. But who am I to judge you? I have no right to judge you, so I'm not going to judge you. But the fact is, thank you, but no. Thank you. I don't need your money. You can give it to the beggars out there. I'm just very comfortable in my own skin. And as for Daniel, he belongs in my past. And there he will remain. You both are birds of a feather and you deserve to flock together. So, yes, you deserve each other. If you don't mind, I was busy before you came. Oh, you could as well join me. Let's read the Bible together. Jesus is all the man that you need. I'm serious. Whatever.
Dan, I think this time around you really messed up. Eh? Ijoma is feeling hot there. I've never seen her in such mood before, but this time around she has refused to see you. Dan, let me ask you, how long will it take you to stop hurting her feelings? For goodness sake. You need to stop all this life. Either you choose between her and your way of life. Dan, you've made enough money from these women. What is the problem? Why not focus on your woman? My God.
You will not understand.
It is you who will not understand. Yes. You don't know the trauma she's going through there. She's suffering all because of you, Daniel.
Listen, Amaka. I want you to tell Ijoma I have made up my mind to let these women go. But I need time to sort things out, okay?
Okay. If he says so, I'll talk to her about it. But promise me you are not going back to this your way of life. Hope you're not going back. Okay, no problem. Let me just run around. But please, eh?
Babes,
Yeah?
I'm surprised you're still with him. That guy knows how to spend on you. But to give you cash, no way. What are you still doing with him?
That's because I love him. I don't know why, but I just love this guy. I love him.
Love. Since you started dating him, you haven't gotten a dime from him. He keeps collecting from you. And you're talking about love here.
My darling, love is given. Doesn't matter who is giving. I beg, don't talk better thing.
Lover girl.
I'm not a lover girl.
You are. You're a lover girl.
Sweet aroma. You must be a great cook.
Great. I can't say great, but I believe I will get a pass.
Okay. So tell me, how can a handsome young man like you be staying in these apartments alone? Don't you have a girlfriend? Or are you a player?
Well, my darling, I have not been lucky with games. So that is that.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Like I told you when we met, that you will be a perfect distraction.
Yes, you said it.
But I hope you're going to be different.
I can't promise you that.
I see.
Honey, what is it? You're looking so lost and gloomy. Please, honey, talk to me now. Honey. Honey, please talk to me. Honey, please, your silence is killing me. Please talk to me. What is this?
I have been sacked. Not just that. They said they will not pay me this month's salary. Just because of a little mistake. Just a little mistake.
This is unacceptable. How can they do this to you after all your sacrifices? And you know what? We have to take legal action against them. Wait. Were they expecting you to sacrifice your daughter? I mean, our daughter for them? No, honey, we can't take this.
Can you just stop? Stop this. Stop.
Honey, how can you expect me to keep quiet? Honey, this is unjust. This is unfair now.
Can you just keep quiet?
Honey, I can't.
Stop blaming them, please. It is not their fault. Right?
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for payback. A payback for your sins. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, be careful how you treat people. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, so you got to treat people right. Whoa. Yeah.
What happened? Nothing actually. It's a good thing you decided to come by this time. I would really use your company.
Are you sure you're happy to say that?
Yes, I am. You're welcome. So, what did you bring for me?
My son.
Exactly what I want to. Wake up, come on.
Hey, what's the problem? Why are you moody? Talk to me now.
Listen, honey, I don't want to bother you with my personal issues, okay?
Personal issues? I thought we were one. What has gotten over you? I thought you missed me just as I've missed you. But I came in here since yesterday. You've been acting somehow. What's it?
Listen, I don't want to bug you with this. But if you insist, fine. It has to do with my goose.
Your goose?
Yes.
What about your goose?
The custom officer seized my goose.
Why?
I don't know. I've been doing everything humanly possible to make them release my goose, but they refused after taking millions from me. And now, I've gone broke. I'm looking on how to raise more money,
Is that why you're moody?
Do you know how much
How much?
that goose worth? We're talking about over 60 million naira.
That's not a problem.
What?
Don't worry. Just relax yourself. We'll sort it out.
Sort it out.
Except if there's anything aside from the goose. Hope it's not another girl.
Oh no. Must everything revolve around girls?
Then cheer up. We'll sort it out. You know, be the baby that I want you to be.
It's alright, let's just go inside.
Tell me you love me.
Ah.
What is wrong with you? I thought we'll sort it out. Okay, fine, come.
Your breath like a smooth criminal. If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your
Babes, I'll be going to see Daniel today.
That reminds me. I was about asking you about him. You guys are no longer talking. Or are you guys having issues?
No, not at all. The last time we spoke, he said something about traveling for a business trip. But it's almost a month now. Daniel hasn't called me nor picked my calls.
A month now. Babes, let it not be that this guy is a scammer. Make it not be say this guy don't chop your money clean mouth though.
He can't do that. He better not try it. Else, he will have me to deal with.
Let's go to his house now. Let's see the excuses he has this time.
Yeah, that's fine.
Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your cheek. He is a smooth criminal, and he is good at what he do. He is just a player. It doesn't have what it takes to fall in love. He is a player.
Excuse me? Who are you?
My name is Tasha. I am Daniel's girlfriend. By the way, who the hell are you?
I'm Juliet, and this is my boyfriend's house.
Really?
Of course, really.
Your boyfriend's house?
Of course.
Okay, that's fine. So where is he? I mean, Daniel.
He went to the bank.
Oh, whoa. He went to the bank.
Of course.
I guess to withdraw the money that you gave him. So what lie did he tell you? He told me that his goods were seized and he needed some money to clear them. I guess he told you the same lie. Well, that's fine, girlfriend. I'll be leaving. But tell Daniel to wait for me. Because I am coming to hunt him down. Excuse me.
If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love will make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your cheek. He is a smooth criminal, and he is good at what he do. He is just a player.
What is it?
The money you just withdrew on my card. Hey,
What's happening? What's the meaning of this?
Dana, you are a thief. But you know what? You messed with the wrong girl. Oh, you're giving me that face. You want to know what's going on? Well, let me break the egg. Your girlfriend Tasha was here. And she told me all your little secret of how you scam girls, telling them about your goods being seized. But you know what? I'm not in for that. Just give me my money. Let me go. First. Oh, now you're coughing.
It's okay. Here's your ATM card. As for the money, I've spent it.
You stupid. Are you a bastard? You think I'm one of those your bitches? Then I give me my money right now.
What did you just do?
I slapped and I will slap you again.
You have the guts to lay off. What did you just do?
I will slap you again.
Get out! Get out!
Daniel! Bastard. You know what? I'll come back for you.
Hello, Daniel. I believe you've received my message. Keep my money for me if you don't want me to destroy that cute face of yours with an acid.
Hey.
Hi, baby. You miss me?
Hey, stay there. Wait. My friend, will you stand up? What are you doing here?
What? You hurt me with your words. Don't tell me you don't miss me. Look, I miss you. That is why I'm here. Okay?
Hey, listen. You haven't answered my question. What have you come here to do?
Are you asking me to stop coming to your house?
Hey.
Oh, I see. It's because of this high-coated peacock. You want to ditch me off?
Daniel, I thought you told me it was over between you both. What's this asinine creature still doing here?
Honey, she missed her way. And she was already on her way out. Isn't it? So get out.
I go nowhere. You think you can ditch me off because of this thing? This thing? This fatuous, sanctimonious imbecile. You are a fat liar. I go nowhere.
Daniel, sort it out, please.
Hey.
What enough?
You? I'll have to throw this fatuous, sanctimonious imbecile out of this house. So please, get out.
I go nowhere.
I said, get out. Are you deaf? I said you should.
I go nowhere! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Get out.
Get out! Get out!
Honey, I am sorry about that, okay?
She is such a drama queen. Tell me, how did such a handsome young champ like yourself end up with such a lunatic? I mean, factious, sanctimonious, imbecile? Really? Daniel, you should do better.
Yeah, I know. I guess I was hypnotized or something.
Really? Please, come on. I love you.
And I love you more.
Really?
Yeah.
Not just antimonials?
Hey, young lady, come on.
Old lady, I'm here.
I believe by now you're feeling on top of the world. But let me tell you something. It is not over yet. Because I will not allow you to take my man from me.
Your man? The way you claim possession of him, one would think you both are already married or perhaps even engaged. Come on, girl. Where is your pride as a woman? Where's your African dignity?
Oh, shut up. You dimwit. What do you know about dignity? Oh, you speak of dignity when you're busy throwing yourself in and out of my man's bed. Oh, God. I thought royalties are supposed to remain virgin until they're married. How many abortions have you done for him?
You know what? You should wash your mouth. Not everyone is like you, darling. Come on. And for the records, take your pedestrian self out of my shop, okay?
How dare you insult me? Get your dirty hand off me now.
I would say that I wouldn't waste my breath on you, but no, I would like to waste it. Let this be the last time you will ever raise this filthy hands to me. Get out of this place, because the next time you come here, I won't ask for permission before I do it. Get out. Leave this place.
It is not over yet.
I said leave this place. If you do not leave, if I go in there and come back, what will happen to you will be on your own head.
It is not over yet.
How did you even employ these idiots in the bank with such hair and less class?
I forget this thing now.
You check out. No, make you check out. Eh? Why did they block me? Did he do the right thing? Eh? Why did he block me? That's what I'm asking.
I know, it wasn't right. It wasn't right at all. But then you made your point by beating him up. One in the chill, forget about that guy. It's the soup and dress. Forget it. What's this?
Who's going to pay for all these things that we're eating? I don't have money.
You wanted to. Was I not the one that called it command? Was I not the one that called it command? Come on, bro. You talk. Call it if you want something else.
Thank you so much. It's so hard to find nice people now. I can buy people.
My guy is not. Just chill. I don't want to get angry back.
Thank you, like I said. Very good that. Plus come and buy food for a random person. I know this girl. Her name is Hannah. I know her. I don't. She your girlfriend?
It's not. She's dead.
Jesus Christ! What? Hannah is dead? How?
She was killed by a hit-and-run driver.
Hit-and-run driver? My goodness! Since when?
19 months ago. Her body almost rotted in the mortuary.
Well, I happen to know the doctor that handled the case.
Jesus Christ. Hannah.
Nurse,
Sir.
has anyone come to identify with the patient?
Not yet, sir. Nobody has identified with the dead patient yet. What should we do about it?
She was a human before the accident. As you know, in this hospital, we accord respect to humans, whether dead or alive. The news about her death has been placed on different blog sites. Hopefully, someone might come across the news. Who knows? Maybe someone will come pick her up.
Okay, no problem, sir.
You know, it's so nice hanging out with you. Thank you so much. You made my day.
It's alright. It's okay. I have to run now. But I hope to see you some other time.
Oh, sure. Why not? I mean, I have your number now, so I'll call you.
It's okay. You're free to call. Alright? Nice
Thank you
meeting
so much. Thank
Yeah.
you.
I have to do this because of the cry and the prayers of your mother.
Do you know my mother?
Yes, I know her. I also know how you coerced the girl, Hannah, into sleeping with you. You got her pregnant. And when she called you, you warned her not to call your number again. Out of frustration, she was killed by a hit-and-run driver.
Hey! What nonsense are you talking about? Huh? Are you trying to tell me that I killed her?
Yes, you did. You killed her. Well, she's taking her revenge on you now. She is the woman you are married to currently. When you get home, bend down and look under your legs. You will see the truth.
What are you talking?
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. Whoa. Yeah. What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for paper. I'll pay back for your sins. Whoa, there is.
You must have 9 lives to have survived. That you survived the bullet is still a miracle to me. Anyways, the police will see you now.
Okay, that's fine, but tell them I'll be right out. I need a minute with him.
But he's still asleep.
I know, doctor.
But please, can you just excuse me? Give me a moment.
It's alright if you excuse me now.
Daniel, it's high time you stop. This is enough. Okay? Can you stop? Do you need to lose your life in this process for you to stop?
Goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch.
So George, how did it go?
What goes around?
Very smooth. He's now having lunch with his ancestors.
Are you telling me that you guys did a clean job and the police will not be able to trace anything to me?
Trace? I am called the invisible. No one can see my face. Unless they already detect people with their hands. Trust me. Clean job.
Good one.
Yeah.
Let me give you your balance.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
I don't know your sins. And there is always a payback. It's always find it way to you. Hey, be careful how you treat people. And there is always a payback. It's always find it way to you. Hey, so you got to treat people right.
No, it's okay. It's okay, you're alive. That's what matters.
I know. I know I have failed you in many ways. And this is the result of me being stubborn. Please.
Sorry.
Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Hey, come on. Relax. What matters is I'm here now and you're okay. Just stay alive, okay? Stay alive. Do you want water? Anything? I'm thankful to God for answering my prayers and granting you speedy recovery. That being said, I have to leave now. And please do not ever come looking for me again, okay?
Babe. I am so sorry. Please don't go. I promise. I will change. If I ever fail you again, you can leave for real.
Daniel, no. No, not this time. You say the same thing over and over again. And like a dog, you go back to your vomit. Not this time, Daniel. I'm done for good. Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you. I promise I will change. I'm not going back to my vomit. Please, I promise. Don't go. I need you, please. I'm sorry. Please.
Fine. But you won't have it easy this time. Since you've agreed to change, then I have my own conditions.
Okay.
Firstly, you have to be born again. Is there a problem with that?
Not really. Okay. I am born again from today.
Secondly, you have to invite all those ladies.
What? Oh, shit.
Sorry. Daniel, you have to invite them. Tell them all you've been doing with them, and you return every single thing they've given to you. Daniel, no excuses. And I would also like you to start going to church from now on. You know what?
Anything for you, I will do it.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
And I want you to know that I am so sorry about everything. I love you. I love you so much. Sorry.
I'll see you later, Daniel.
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for payback. I'll pay back for your sins. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always when it's with you. Be careful how you treat people. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always when it's with you. So you got to treat people right.
Mama, I'm telling you that the person I saw is Elvis. I saw him with my 2 naked eyes. He's mad.
God forbid. I reject it in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I reject it. My Elvis can never be mad.
Amen.
It's not his portion. He can never be mad. I reject it. God forbid. Ha!
Wait, are you sure of what you just said? That my brother is mad?
If I'm sure.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't believe me, let's go together. So that you confirm.
Mama, we need to go and check. Let's go and confirm whether it's true or not. Because I don't believe what he's saying. No, my brother cannot be mad.
Where is he now? You say you saw it. I told you my son is not the one you saw. My God will never allow such thing to befall him. Never.
Mama, this is where I saw him last.
Where?
Here, like this, here.
Here. Here. Anayo, please. Biko, I told you, he's not my son. He's not Elvis,
Mama,
my
I
son.
cannot lie now. I cannot lie.
Then
I saw my two naked eyes. Here.
Anayo, are you sure? Are you sure? It was my brother you saw.
So I don't know Brother Elvis again. Brother Elvis that slapped me. I don't know him again.
Then where is he now?
Anayo, please, Biko. I don't want BP. Biko. Biko, let's go. Biko, please. Oh, does it blow with Elvis?
You stop crying.
God, why? God, why?
Stop crying. Stop.
I invited each and every one of you here because I have something important to tell you. First of all, for the record, I never loved any one of you.
Daniel, I know that you're a thief. And if you don't give me my money today, heaven will fall on us.
Will you allow him finish?
After graduating from the university, I searched for work for many years. At some point, I lost hope. And that was the period I met Dorothy. Dorothy made me realize that if I make several women to love me or like me, in the process, I might start extorting money from them. So the whole thing became very lucrative, and that was when I ventured into this lifestyle, just to make it in life. So please, it wasn't my fault. I take responsibility for all my irresponsible actions. But we must also blame the government. If they had done what they promised us, the youth, most of us wouldn't have ventured into an abominable act. So please, I am so sorry for everything I did to each and every one of you. And with the help of Ijoma here, my girlfriend, I am now a changed person. I have given my life to our Lord Jesus Christ. And I urge each and every one of you to do the same thing, because in God, there is peace of mind. And only God can give you blessings without sorrows.
Anyways, I don't know what to say. Daniel, I loved you. And I thought we would end up together. But it's all good. At least you taught me how to be good to others. Before now, I don't know how it feels to be good to others. I am heartbroken. Thank you. Everything I did for you was from my heart. Ijoma, Daniel loves you so much. Please, make sure you don't leave him for another woman. Look, he cries like a baby. Whenever we are together, he couldn't hide it, all because of you.
Thank you. God bless you for being a kind-hearted person. I appreciate. Clara, I will be leaving the house today.
Oh no. There's no need for that. The rent continues in the next 3 years, so you can continue to stay here. You remember the advice I gave you the other time? Look for something good to do for yourself. The woman sitting next to you is a good woman. If you marry her, it will be a great gain for you.
Thank you.
But I'm sorry, I can't marry him. Daniel and I are not on the same spiritual path. He's had too many entanglements with all of you. I'm sorry, Daniel. The only reason I stayed with you at the hospital was for humanity's sake. And I wanted you to learn. Right now, this is a journey you have to take on your own. You need to find yourself by yourself. This is where it ends for us, Daniel. And I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Babe.
Dan, if she's not marrying you, that means you have to return all that I've given to you.
Well, same here, Daniel. You've made your choice, and now it's time for us to make ours. So you have to return every single dime I gave to you. My money must be complete right away.
Daniel, heaven knows that I'm not living here without my money. And that's on period.
Anyways, I don't know what you girls are talking about. Bottom line is that this man here is a fraudster and he has to be arrested to pay for his crime. Rubbish. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
You had me.
At this point, Daniel, it's your loss. Excuse me.
Take care of yourself, Daniel.
So now, lover boy,
cash, card, or transfer. You can see you are left with nobody. You are a loser. Just you alone, loser! And you know what? I'm not stepping an inch until you return all my money right away.
Me too, Daniel. You have to pay my money right here and right now.